Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I am on to do a final reveal of the pink teddy that I received from Feelook to do a product review, and it is absolutely adorable, and I can't wait to find a frame and frame this little baby and give it to my daughter-in-law and my granddaughter. It is going to be so cute in her bedroom. But before I do that, let me just remind you that Feelook is an online premium diamond painting company, and they did ask me to do a product review and an unboxing. And you did see my unboxing, I don't know, a few days ago, maybe it was last weekend, I'm not really sure. And I shared with you everything that's in the box and some basics about their shop, and I just wanted to remind you that they're holding their Pink Series event going on right now, and they do have some discount specials, which I'll have noted in the description box down below, as well as a link to the Feelook website, their affiliate program, and the actual diamond painting that I'm working on, or that I actually completed because it is done now. And I just want to thank you guys for following along with the diamond painting journey that I've been doing lately. I'm having fun with it. I didn't know that I would like diamond painting, but I am having fun, and I am doing some paper crafting as well as this, but I haven't shared the paper crafts yet. Those will be coming soon. And yeah, so with that aside, let me put the box off to the side, and I'm going to show you the diamond painting. Here it is, and look at how adorable this is. Oh my word, so cute. Let me reduce the camera a little bit so you can see the entire thing. It's all done. We've got this gorgeous little pink teddy bear holding the red and pink heart, and he's sitting on a sliver of moon with a little bit of clouds down here. And has, well, I say he, I think it might be a girl because it's pink, but I don't really know. And we've got this gorgeous gemmy gold and silver crown, and we've got some little stars here in the gemmies, and it's just so adorable. And I know it is going to be perfect in Ivy's bedroom, and I can't wait to give it to her. But I'm going to give you a close-up of some of these gems here. Look at how pretty those are. So sparkly. So sparkly. Love this. And just so you know, I am not an affiliate. I am just doing a product unboxing and reveal for Feelook, but Diana from Diana Loves Colors is an affiliate. She does have a discount code. It is right up here, Diana10. So if you decide to shop, be sure to use that code. And also don't forget about the specials going on right now. There's a 20, 25%, and 30% discounts going on depending on how much you put in your cart and spend. And yeah, that's what I've got for you today. Just sharing this totally adorable teddy bear in pink for the Pink Series by Feelook Art. And do give them a look if you're interested in diamond painting. They have something for everybody. They have small, they have medium, they have large. They have some in different styles to fit everybody. So that's what I've got for you today. I hope you enjoyed this, and if they ask me again, I definitely will do another project for them and share it with you. And I want to thank you for stopping by, and I'll catch you on my next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.